Okay, so we've got factorising continued. So here we can see this is slightly different in that we're dealing with two fractions. So it's a subtraction of fractions here, also subtraction of fractions here. So we'll start with part 1, 6y over x bracket x plus 4y minus 3 over 2x. Now if this was a numeric set of fractions, what will we do? We get a common denominator and work away from there. Just because it's algebraic, you know, there's no difference really. That's exactly what we're going to do. The easiest way of doing that is usually multiplying the bottom line. But in this case, there's only need to multiply two parts of the bottom line, and that's simply because x will actually go into 2x as well. So there's no need to multiply it by x as well. So off I go. X by x plus 4y, how many times will it go into the bottom line? It'll go in twice. Multiply by what you have on top, which is 6y. Keep the sign. 2x multiply by what gives me 2x by x plus 4y, and that's x plus 4y by 3. And then you're just multiplying out. So that's 12y minus by 3 is minus 3. So it's minus 3x, and minus by 3 by 4y is minus 12y. 2x bracket x plus 4y. So then we're left with just a minus 3x on top over 2x bracket x plus 4y. And then we've got an x here and an x here. So all of the bottom, that x goes into all of the top line. So we're just left with a minus 3 on top. So x into x goes once, x into x goes once. And then we've a 2 bracket x plus 4y on the bottom. So that's that simplified. So the next one then, we're going to do in a similar fashion. X minus 4, x squared minus x minus 2. And then I've got a minus x minus 3 over x squared minus 4. Now, again, we can get the common denominator by just simply squaring out. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to factorise first, in that I might see some common elements, and that might help me out, and I won't have to multiply everything out because there is quite a lot there. So x minus 4 I can't do anything with, but I can definitely rewrite the bottom line. So that's x and x, 2 and 1, and I want a minus x, so it's a minus 2 and a plus 1 there. And then I've got minus x minus 3 over a difference of 2 squares, which is xx, 2 and 2, and then I've got a plus and a minus. And again, I haven't done anything yet. I haven't started getting my common denominator. I'm just literally rewriting the fractions so that I can spot a common denominator a little easier. So I'll keep going now, getting my common denominator, and again I see that I have parts in common, so I have x minus 2, x minus 2. So as I said before, the easiest way to get a common denominator is multiply all the bottom parts, but if you have a part in common, you only need to include it once, and this will cut down on the simplification at the end. So the bottom line here goes into this bottom line, x plus 2 times, and you multiply by what you have left on top, minus this bottom line goes into here, x plus 1 times, and you multiply by what you have on top. Just be careful multiplying out, and you're left with x squared minus 4x plus 2x minus 8. And then just watch the minus there. We'll just use a bracket to be sure. Minus x squared minus 3x plus x minus 3. All over the bottom line, x plus 1, x plus 2, x minus 2. And then just multiply out x squared minus 4x plus 2x minus 8 minus x squared plus 3x minus x plus 3. And then I've got x plus 1, x plus 2, and x minus 2. Tidying up, we've got x squared minus x squared, so that's 0x squared, minus 4x plus 2x is minus 2x, plus 3x is 1x, minus x is 0x, and then I have a minus 8 and a plus 3, which is minus 5. And then on the bottom line, x plus 1. If you'd like to, then you can multiply this back out, and it's an x squared minus 4.